Hello! Today I'm going to try this Samyang hot pepper stir-fried ramen. Yay! It's got space stew and nervous cat. Now I'm nervous too. First I'm gonna boil some water. While that's boiling, I'm gonna put this in the pot. It's a bit wet. I always like to break it. It's quite thin, not as thin as the missing brand. Step 1, step 2, step 1. Not step 3? Okay, according to the instructions, I have to add these bits after boiling the noodles. So let's do that. I keep being asked why I boil the water this way. I've been told that it's quicker. As in the water bubbles up quicker. Alright, so I'm supposed to leave this for about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I always stir it while it's still boiling. Alright, it should be ready. Now I gotta drain the water. Put it in my oriental bowl. And now we finally add these babies. Then we have these little flakes. Now the oil. Oops, I just realized I didn't do step 1, step 1, step 2. I did step 1, step 2, step 1. Oh well, I might have boiled the noodles for a bit too long. It's a bit soggy. I mean, it still looks delicious. Ooh, it looks done. Ta-da! Alright, let's give it a try. It's quite chunky. Ooh, that's spicy. Ooh, but it's not as spicy as the buldak one or the ghost pepper noodle one. I need a drink. I don't have any milk at home. I'ma just have to make do. You know when you eat something and you know you're gonna get the shits? Ooh, it burns when you swallow. I'm sure you don't hear that every day. It tastes good. Uh-oh. I gotta tell ya, Samyang's really good at making the noodles. I really like the chewy texture. Ooh. Okay, now I wish I had milk. I only ate half of it. I can't tell if it's the powder that's spicy or the flakes. Or both. Oh, let's just down the rest. Oh, all done. Yeah, it's not too bad. At least this one, the spice doesn't linger for too long. But that shit still burns.